Hi guys, welcome to this week's show. But before we start, subscribe to the channel and don't miss your chance on winning this ESS Dual Plus from Sense Innovation. It is the best sounding sound simulator on the market today, at least in my eyes. Not only can you win the ESS Dual Plus, but I'm throwing in this K5 3D printed Blazer body. So subscribe to the channel and you can be the lucky winner. So we're going to raffle this off on the 27th of November, so it reaches you in time for Christmas. So now let's get back into today's video.
You need to subscribe, guys, so I can do more giveaways.
Guess what? My kids had a Halloween party here the other day. I'm glad to see the water bottle's still full. So, killed the Smirnoffs. Hey, what a bunch of wussies. They didn't even get through my 12 pack of Heineken. I'm not cleaning this mess, so I guess I'm not filming here today. So my plan today is to tint the windows. Let's see if the TS71 Smoke from Tamiya can tint a white or tint over a white background. Normally this paint is for Lexan body with clear windows. I want to see how it comes out, or if it even works, to just spray it onto a white background. So I'm going to tap it off and let's get masking. Okay, we're going to spray first white and then black. Well, I messed up there big time. Okay, let's just get this tape off. Hopefully I don't have more damage like that. This stuff, seriously, it literally just wanders into every little creak. So even spraying it white didn't even help. Put it this way, I did spray it lightly white, but this is a big mess. And I also noticed that this tinted smoke, it's really, really runny. So you got to really, so you seriously have to spray it as light as you can. Oh my gosh, this looks terrible, man. Oh, fantastic. Messed my whole car up. Well, looks like I have a Halloween themed truck. The only thing is, I'm a bit late. So my plan was to put a silver stripe in today and even around the windows. So I'm still gonna do it. Although I have a Halloween themed car, I'm still putting the silver stripe in. You know how it is, you just want to finish something. I love how my mistake, my spray painting mistake, has turned into a Halloween themed blazer. So let's put some Stranger Things themed music on and send it to the upside down. So guys, I hope you liked my Halloween themed mistake. My spray painting skills are obviously not as good as I thought they were. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. I want to do more giveaways, bigger giveaways, so we can support the RC crawling community out there. So subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and we will see you guys next week. Bye.